Let's talk about Jaclyn Cosmetics, All of the Lights, I believe, mystery box. I have some thoughts. I don't quite know what I was expecting. I may have misread something. I'm like, this is not me being mad about anything. I'm very excited about this box. I'm late to getting this done. I was going to film this look, but it kind of took me like 4 hours. Yeah. So anyway, Jaclyn Cosmetics mystery box. I was excited that I could actually get one. I didn't think that I was going to be able to. But let me, after I've shaked it all around, got it all shook. Okay, I do have some stuff out because I am actually wearing one of the highlighters today. I need to go back in and fix my Instagram post because I'm wearing the same one from yesterday, but I called it the wrong name. But I do believe that is the name of another one in here because I've used just about all of them except for the one that was like, yeah, that one's not necessarily going to work on me. It might be like good for a lid shade or something, but I don't know. Anyway, this, yeah, it was the opposite one. It is the $45 box. And it has 5 highlighters. I love highlighters. So, of course, you know, I kind of thought that, you know, it would be like a lip and a highlighter or a couple highlighters a lippy. Either way, I was surprised when I opened it to see that there were actually 5 highlighters. I love the loose one, the loose highlighter in, what's it called? I have it right here. I should know this. Oh, it's extra. Duh. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. This is the one from whatever year that those come out. So it came with I'm So Lit. But there is a light show. All lit up. Flurries and Twinkle. I'm actually wearing Flurries today. I don't know if you can like see the glow going on here. My face is breaking out, so love that. Yeah, the box is super cute. It came with, like, I've showed this a million times, but it was just, like, everything set on these, little ribbons of confetti. I was excited to have this show up on my doorstep. It got here really quick. I ordered it, and it was, like, oh, I don't know, before the snow. Actually, it's very snowy out, and there's, like, I don't know if we're getting mail or anything like that, but this was, like, right before all the snow. I'm actually wearing Twinkle today. I think I said that. I'll try to do some quick swatches. My battery is about to die and I really don't know how to do I'm opening a highlighter mystery box kind of video. So, this is probably boring and I've probably lost everybody's attention by now. Anyway, if you're still here, thank you for watching. This is Twinkle, which is the highlighter, and it is the, yeah, I want to say it was like a creamy, yeah, it's a creamy highlighter that gives you light with every swipe, and I absolutely love it. So, here we go, and I'm going to get my fingy all on it. See, it's so cute. Let me see. Let me do another swatch, because I really suck at trying to swatch by myself. Usually my husband helps me, but I need to learn to do it myself, right? You can actually hear him knocking the snow off his feet right now. Anyway, it doesn't like really show up like that, but like, well, let me see. I can do this. I already have this one on, but I just pat that on there. So, so lit. Love it. Next up is Flurries. I did try to wear this one the other day and didn't. It's more of a subtle, if like whenever the sun comes out and it's warm, this will probably work a little bit better. It's really pretty though. It looks like this. This one's Flurries. I'm gonna give her a little swipe through here for a little swatchy swatch. Very gorgeous. And oh, let me just flip the camera off real quick, real nice like. And, I don't know if you can see it. Oh, it would help if I just, you know, got a little closer to the actual swatch that I just did. Let me just do one of these. Look at my mirror back here and just do that. I don't know, that one's really pretty. I just feel like right now, because I have not been outside very much at all, I just stabbed it, no. Anyway, I'm super pale, so that one kind of just looks like, on me, it looked kind of like I put like a liquid bronzer maybe, but not like orangish and not like darker. It was just kind of like, I don't know how to explain it. It just looked like I used like kind of like a gold eyeshadow kind of on my face. So that I feel like once I like get to go outside and get some sun, that'll probably work a little bit better for me. And let's see, light show. I think I used a light show the other day. I want to say I did. Yeah, I did. But it's a very, very glittery, gorgeous loose highlighter. I got a little bit of it on my middle finger, as one does. And let's see. I'm just going to build it up a little bit so the camera can translate it. I'm going to pat it on because it is very messy. But yeah, that one's cute. It's like a good peachy. I'm going to put a little on my chin and a little more on my nose and on the bridge. Yes, so cute. I have all lit up next. This one, oh, this one looks like it's kind of pink. This might be a good, oh, I might use this one tomorrow. Which will be today, whatever, because I'm behind. Oh yes, this is so cute. Give it a little. Oh my goodness, yes. I do love the, oh god, this one. Oh, guys. Look it. Oh my gosh. The camera's probably not even translating that. Oh, that is beautiful. Ooh, we're going to be quite, we're going to be very highlightery today, and I don't care. I just pretty much did this to take some pictures and wipe it off because I kind of need some Instagram content that's not Valentine's Day stuff, so yeah. Oh, am I like on the level of glazed potato over here, you know? I hope so, because this is beautiful. I'm being extra. I had a Red Bull and coffee, and now I'm just like, but yeah, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Why didn't I try this one? I've tried like, well, I mean, I haven't really done a whole lot of makeup, so I've kind of been doing like one a day since I've been doing it. But I've used the one that I know works best for me the most. But I guess it would have worked a little bit better if I would have opened it to see. Oh my gosh, you guys. And it's like almost like glittery. This would be a nice little you could dust it on your eyes. I feel like that would be a nice little, if you want a real supernatural kind of eye look with like a little shine to it, this would be very perfect for it. This one is all lit up. I love it. Okay, I'm going to have this one set to the side for tomorrow because if I do makeup tomorrow, I'm going to wear that one. Kind of saying that to remind myself when I'm editing later. Last but not least is all lit up, and I'm going to look and see what it looks like. Because it looked like on the, it looks like it'd be more bronzy, or I don't quite know how to say what it looks like it would be, but I'm kind of surprised because the other one looked like it would be, and it's actually kind of like perfect, so I don't know. But I kind of feel like the shade range for skin tones might need worked on, because I don't feel like it would be like the best for all skin tones. Let me look at this one. I mean, I can't be the judge of that because, oh, this is gold. Ooh, this kind of looks like it could be the, like the Trophy Wife by Fenty. Okay, yeah, I feel like this would work for me, so I'm going to go ahead and stick my finger in it, and if not, I will sanitize everything. Did it show? Oh. Oh gosh, yes. Okay. So these are very glittery. I'm going to put this right here now. But like, it's so pretty. That did literally nothing. Oh my gosh. Why do I even try to swatch anything by myself? Ah! I'm just making a mess at this point. I'm just going to have glitter for my arms. So let's just do this. That was nothing. Okay, hold on. Let me just rub it all on my arm. I'm going to make a whole mess. I'm going to have glitter all over my desk. But, ugh. It's so pretty. Let's just go ahead and add this to the concoction that I already have going on my face. Oh gosh. Oh, that's like a... Oh, they're like mixed together. They're just like this fiery colored, like, I don't know, kind of like shifty. I can't, oh, like, I know I'm going to wipe this off right after this. Is the only reason why I'm just like throwing highlighter on my face like this. But y'all, this one is freaking gorgeous. Like it almost, I've been wanting to try the Fenty Trophy Wife, and this looks like it could be close. This one's called I'm So Lit. Yeah, that one's really, really cute. I feel like I've swatched everything, and, well, did I? Yeah, I did Flurries, didn't I? Guess I'll look. I don't know. I might go and, yeah, I did because they're still like scratching it. But if there are some of these that I feel like I will not use much at all compared to some of the other ones, I'll probably gift some to my friends. But yeah, this is my absolutely all over the place shitty swatch Jaclyn Cosmetics mystery box haul video, whatever. But I know it's weird and I'm being completely obnoxious. But anyway, if you've made it to the end of this video, I do want to tell you thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope that I can get some fun looks made up. I have some pre-filmed ones that I will be uploading soon. They're really colorful, really bold, a whole lot of fun. There's probably going to be some voiceovers mixed in. I'm just trying to find ways that make editing more interesting. I like to edit, but I like to do different things just so that I have an idea how to do different things. Does that make sense? Anyway, I'm rambling. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to use hashtag #SlightlyUnblended for your chance to be featured in an upcoming video. And I'll have all my social medias down below. I'm getting back on the TikTok. So, yeah. On the TikTok. I'm working on it. I need a new phone so I can have a better camera because mine's shit. But anyway, I'll have all my social media down below just in case you'd like to keep up with my awkward face and shenanigans. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!